Hey yo, Nashie, you go crazy.
Pretty little bad thing from the west side, by the track spot, yeah. And when she come around me, please no bad vibes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Demand Monet here, and today we're gonna be making stack pants. Well, I'm gonna make a stack pants for the first time. I'm gonna show you how to make stack pants for the first time too. So yeah. Alright, so you're gonna start off with 2 pair of jeans. I just chose these pair of jeans out of my closet because I knew I wanted the first pair of jeans that I had to be stacked, but I just had to find another pair that'll match them. I know they don't match exactly, but it'll do. So now you're just gonna make sure that those jeans match the same, like are the same length at the ends, because that's very important when you're sewing it together. Okay, so now I'm just cutting the jeans that I want to be at the bottom part. So you just go up high enough, like as long as you think you want them at the bottom. If you want them like super stacked, you probably want to go as high as I did. If you don't, probably just a little lower. So now you just want to fold the jeans so you can match up where to cut the next leg at. And then you're just going to follow what you already have cut. So here I have the pant leg, the cut pant leg over top of the pants that is going to get sewn onto. I'm going to show you how to sew it, not sew it on. I'm going to show you how to put the pant leg on in a later clip. Okay guys, I'm not the best at this. I just did it the way I thought I could. Like, I don't know. It worked out, so just sew how you know how to sew. Because I don't know how to sew. I used to know, but I forgot, so. Okay, so here I'm showing you how to put the legs on top of each other. You're just going to make sure that your pants legs are inside out, the ones that you cut. And you're just going to slip it onto your other pants and make sure that the bottoms are aligned with each other so that you can sew it on correctly. Okay, so these are how the pants turned out. You can stop right here, but I'm gonna add pockets. We'll add the pockets from the other pants to these ones because the jeans are different and I wanted more of the same jean on it. Okay, I didn't really like how these turned out. I don't know if it's how it looks on the camera or what, but I'm gonna either take them off or not finish them, but or fix them. I don't know, but yeah, that's the finished look. Alright guys, so this is the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at demand.monet. And that's it. Bye.